Let's fuck the next entertainment.
Yeah, me say bana ma feel I do. Oda baba na makumate. Me say minya denka na wati mase. Se me koda wane kumya humache. Inti ya na bramen chemba.
Yes, darling.
When you know I feel sweet.
Same here. Hey. So. I promise to buy you our sisters also. You know, I'll balance you and then you're from then I'll get your system.
Baby.
Yeah, sure. Trust me.
Are you serious?
For sure.
So
So we see you for it, right? I'll get your latest from you.
You're sweet,
You're so sweet, baby. I love you.
No, mine is speechless. Love you, I trust you, I know what you can do.
Yep. And since the other time too, like you're complaining about this week, is it frontal Bond Street? How do you call it?
Bond Street.
Bond Street, yeah.
56 Bond Street.
And how much was it? Like, how much is it?
12,000.
Just to come on top.
Yeah, baby.
Or it's not, they have no words.
Baby, you're spoiling me.
Yeah, let me spoil you. I want you to go out and shit or something. So I'll make sure like, I provide everything that you want, okay?
Okay.
Love you, darling. That's so sweet.
Madam!
Yeah.
Madam, please, the food all finished. Everything finished. Nothing for kitchen. Madam, so unless you give me money, then I could go the market inside the market. Akosua, Akosua, madam, have you checked the time before coming? Oh, madam, yes, I check out. So what is the time? Maybe 10 p.m. 10 p.m. Yes, madam. 10 p.m. And by this time you are going to buy food stuff. Oh, madam. Madam, I will buy tomorrow morning. Madam. Yes, madam. My beautiful madam. We go to the market tomorrow morning. Yes, madam. Tomorrow morning, right? Baby, madam, you see what I've been talking about all the time in this house?
Catherine.
Tomorrow morning, and you are standing here around 10 p.m.
What is that, Catherine? Now listen to me. It's normal to actually ask for money for foodstuffs. It's a good thing to do.
But this time, just okay, just say, me could have a fun cry. Oh, madam, never me. When you see that I and my husband is having fun, that time you come and stand here and be making unnecessary demand.
Catherine, listen. Akosua, you don't worry.
What say Akola?
No, listen.
You are spoiling her. I don't like what you are doing.
Catherine, relax.
Let her know that what she is doing is wrong. You can't come and stand here by this time and tell me that you need money for market.
This is not how to go about this. Like, I know how to do. Like, I'll talk to a person, like, privately. You relax. Akosua, I will see you up. You go, okay. I'm much like, I know what to do. In the morning, okay. Around 9, come and knock my door and I'll give you money, okay?
But you say what time?
9.
9.
Come and knock my door. Make sure, like, I'll give you money.
Okay.
Alright.
God bless you. Hey,
Catherine. Catherine, listen to me. Now, listen to me. I've been warning you several times. This is not how
look at what she's wearing. It's not fair.
But that's her uniform. Who person can share about it?
Baby, it's too short.
Come on. You know, like, how we want our men to dress.
Madam.
Are you okay with it?
I forgot something. Madam, the dog food. Hey, madam.
Now, what are you trying to do? What are you trying to do? What are you trying to do right now?
Oh, baby, may come bedroom.
Now, Akosua, you are not to go. Why?
Because the dog.
I will buy everything you want. No, you go. I will buy everything.
Baby.
See.
Baby, I don't like what you're doing. I don't like what you're doing. It's like you have pampered this girl too much.
It's not about how I'm pampering the girl. Listen to me. I am the man of the house, okay? And I decide. We all know where the girl is from. You understand? She's from the village. So, it should be a process. We need to take very good care of, like, you handle her very good care and trust me. And
Hey, madam! Boss! Madam!
Akosua.
Boss! Boss, I forget to told you. You forgot? Yes.
Gradually, we need to teach you,
Madam, the polytank, the river inside, it's not coming over. And the polytank.
Akosua, call him. Call.
Boss. Madam.
Don't utter any word. I said leave. Oh, Lord of mercy. You see a penny, yeah. Sometimes I don't blame her. You are the cause of all this. I'm putting the blame on you.
Am I the one who told her to behave this way?
No. Listen, Tio. I'm not saying you're the one who is telling her to behave this way, though. But sometimes I need to blame you in the sense that you want to she's a village girl. You understand? And then everything is gradual. It takes time for everything. To be what you need to be. So relax it. As time goes on, we are going to train her, I'm gonna fix her and put her, appropriately.
Baby. Oh, my man, not also saying. Is she your sibling?
This is what I hate. Countryman, this is what I hate. Me no customer, best of bargaining me. Don't try to, talk to me. Talk back at me. Huh? For the first place, catch him and say, now, let's bring her. Surely, guys, you may be holding away, okay. Now, listen to yourself. See that who tell me? Huh? You said that we should sew this uniform for her. You like it this way with the cape and everything. To brand it to be guests to fill her boy.
I'm sorry. Baby, calm down, please. I'm sorry.
I'm tired.
Baby, please.
My friend. Sometimes I'm like nah. Do I be wanting for the right woman or what?
Baby, I'm the right woman for you. I said I'm sorry.
I said my woman too was you want to be sure sometimes. What is that?
I said I'm sorry.
Sorry for yourself.
Baby!
No, listen. Wouldn't say won't mean your pain, won't mean your patience. Let's send her back. Okay?
Sorry. Sorry. I love you. I'm sorry, okay?
It's okay. It's okay, yes, I'm sorry.
Baby.
Me.
Sure. I won't give them this. Hey, safe. Everywhere they chop love. Everywhere. Every blessed day. Madam the post. Oh, my God. They wake up me. They can't give me my money go market. Sure. Nothing for inside. Nothing in the cupboard inside. Nothing.
Hello.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Okay. What is your problem? And you are talking. What is your problem?
Talk? Why would I talk? Can you imagine? This house, everywhere you pass, Madam and Boss, they chop love. Everywhere. Love.
So, this is your first time seeing them doing that?
If I must say, Madam and Boss, they chop love like that. I will come here. I will work for years.
Allow them, make them enjoy now. That is why I always told you, say, if they enjoy, make me too, they enjoy.
Hey, wait, what did they talk? What did you say?
I said, if they enjoy, you two, you can have an affair with me, so that we can enjoy it together.
If I want to have an affair with somebody,
Love me.
I don't go.
You don't like me.
You know, Please, I don't like
I want not to do it for them. No problem.
See, you come. I thought madam, say food stuff no day. She give me money to go market.
And wait till she talk.
She
vex. Going market to bring food stuff for all of us to eat. She vex.
She do talk plenty. Even the dog them food serve. She no want me money.
No problem. Work your work. Do what you're supposed to do now. Tomorrow. I'm going to bed, so tomorrow.
Tomorrow?
I'm going to bed.
Okay.
It's okay. Same journey.
Thank you. Bye. Maybe we chocolate. This is bad. Now when you are my God. Hey, you feel me? Chocolate. You get that. Let me do one for myself. They chop love. See, maybe they chop love. Hey, good. Kohweigu. Wait, Kohweigu, I think say you go sleep.
They go bed.
So, what's up for you?
I don't fall down. I don't know what's happening, but I don't fall down.
You fall down for here. Somebody will pass here. You can't fall down for here.
I don't fall down. They go. Make her they go. Do your work now, they go. Do your work. Go back to your position. They go.
Like seriously? Kohweigu? No? What's going on here?
Like dog.
Kohweigu, come here. Akosua.
Boss.
Are you okay? Come here, come here.
Okay, boss.
What do you think you are doing?
I was trying to. I fall for ground.
Hey, who can throw the man? You can't consider yourself. Me say what are you doing over there? So Akosua, so you're also aware.
Hey, boss, me. I don't know anything, no. Boss, I dey work for you. Where Kohweigu come take water.
I can't take.
You don't say where they work. When somebody did the grand way they watch your body, they don't say they work.
Boss,
Kohweigu.
say they watch me. Hey.
Do you know it's offense to do that?
Please, I was washing her.
You're doing what?
I was washing her.
You are seeing me. Don't be stupid. Don't be stupid. Don't you know doing that? It's an offense. Huh?
Baby, what is it?
Can you imagine? Alright. I'm coming. Like how many times now? Have you been doing it or it's all today or what?
Like, what is going on here? Can you explain what is going on?
Madam, I'm sorry.
Sorry for what?
I want to go.
Sorry for what?
You do something.
I'm sorry, I want to go.
Hey, sorry, I'm talking. How dare you?
I want to go.
Hey, shut up.
Baby, what is it?
I want to go.
Don't be silly, my guy. Don't be silly. This is decent. Can you imagine?
Baby, what?
I was like, I was chatting like, a client of mine, and I was so Kohweigu. Lying down here, watching what do you call it? Akosua.
Watching Akosua like what? I don't get you. But he has right to watch Akosua. Explain it better.
What's the day?
What's what?
What's why so Akosua? How dare you?
Someone can send him.
Well, trying the former section what's the day? Huh?
Or the former channel.
What a show, sir. What a show, sir.
Please, I'm sorry. I was.
Hey, baby.
Do you know what you're doing? It's offense. What you're doing is adult. It's only adult who does that. Huh?
What? So you are the adult. You are the adult. He is not adult. And yes, I'm not a soul can. What are we adults?
If he knows so an adult, not in my matrimonial, not in my house.
How will you know if they are dating or not? Maybe they are having something together.
I don't have anything doing with
you guys you are having something together or another.
I was trying to talk to her, but the thing is, I don't know.
They have something together.
If they have something doing, not under my roof, my dear, from talking, don't talk. I want to have the house. Do you understand? If there's something doing, not in my house, not under my roof. Hey, let it be your first and last. Listen to me, girl. Come here. Let today be your first and last. You mess up, you fool again.
You're surprising me.
You understand? See, let me show you. I said what? Let today be your first and last. Don't let me see you that act again. That's how we here. Kohweigu, huh? You will be sacked and fired. Leave. Leave like I leave. So, Catherine, now, I don't get this play. So I tell me, say, dear Akosua,
I'm look. What me suspecting me? Me suspecting so now open.
like how?
So now open. Because you can't tell me say a husband, a husband, they don't have right to date. What are you telling me?
Did you just
and you're here telling me that he is not adult. You are the adult. I also with me dating and yes, I will catch him.
Now, did you just say that? Yeah, so you're disrespecting me or what? Just a common maid.
What I want is disrespecting in front of the maid.
What am I
doing? The one who is disrespecting me. Oh, you know?
Like seriously? Are you kidding? Hey, Catherine. This common maid, me dating a very funny. Akosua, how old are you?
I'm 15 years.
15 years. Have you learned about
Baby, so what are you guys doing? Baby, what are you doing?
Then me training no. Me trying to say this the age no. At this time no. She need not to involve herself in those kind of acts. And she get pregnant, I will sack her in my house.
So why this crocodile tears? It says who ain't no say free him. If you are here talking to her, you are putting something in. What about this crocodile tears? What is going on here, baby?
Actually, right now, what's your problem right now? It's me straighten up. Oh, yes, me wanna.
Oh, so you wanted to snatch my husband away from me, eh? Me pick you from streets. Now me want better life, you know. You wanted to snatch my husband away from me.
Who is snatching somebody here?
But you're about to hold her.
What is it's not to hold her. She's a woman. And yes, I'm trying to.
Baby, open.
Open wine.
So why all this touching? I said, what?
Now, Catherine, I'm beginning to, to suspect you that, if you're not a witch, then you are kind of demon. Because what you're doing is that,
so you're insulting me because of the maid, right? You are insulting me because of her, right? You see what you cause? You see what you have caused? You want my husband, right? I'll just
I don't understand what you talk. Like, you want to hey. Come here. See.
Since when you start calling me hey.
You're listening, you're poking me, yes.
You are not calling me hey. Hey, Radhe. To me, one I said then. So you want my man?
I don't want time. Hey, man.
Now you want to snatch my husband. Do you know how long we have been together? Now you want to snatch my husband away from me, right? You see what you are...
Hey, boss, how?
Say what the man